the BSE's iconic International Convention Center for the listing ceremony of Yatra Online Limited. On behalf of BSE, we would like to welcome Sri Dhruv Sringhi, CEO and co-founder, Yatra Online Limited, Sri Manish Jain, CTO, Yatra Online, Sri Rohan Mittal, CFO, Yatra Online, and my friends from Merchant Banking, Sri Dhruv Bhagat, Vice President, IFL Securities, Sri Deepak Kaushik, Group Head, ECM, SBI Capital Market, Sri Sachin Chandiwal, MD Corporate Finance, DAM Capital. Of course, Yatra Online, like many startups are getting listed, and it's also very good that all young entrepreneur talent is getting listed, and will be rewarded. I'm 100% sure. So it is our privilege and honor to host the listing ceremony of Yatra Online Limited on account of its successful public offer for ₹775 crores. We are delighted about the new journey that Yatra Online will embark upon by becoming the newest member in BSE family. We are happy to learn about the many milestones that Yatra Online has achieved, and today it glitters as India's largest corporate travel services and second largest online travel company. With the new wave of innovative travel solutions and improved customer experiences, we are optimistic about the continued trust and positive track record that shall be embedded further. I would like to congratulate Yatra Online Limited on the success of their public issue. With this, Yatra Online is now the newest member in BSE family. The story of BSE is the story of Indian economy. With a 149-year-old history, BSE is one of the oldest working public institution in India, having created wealth to the tune of more than $3 trillion, including equity and debt. BSE, world's largest exchange in terms of number of listed companies and also fastest in terms of the response time. And it has 5245 listed companies which are listed over 149 years. The exchange has successfully offered an efficient capital raising platform to India Inc. And it is in this international convention hall that we have witnessed the development in Indian capital market over several decades. First, this was a trading ring, outcry trading ring, when broker used to trade physically with hand gestures till early 90s. Then post-digitization, automation, it has become convention hall. The benchmark index of BSE, Sensex, is tracked by investors across the globe and has grown since India opened its economy in 1991. It's also considered as a barometer for the growth of Indian economy. As you may be aware, we have recently launched derivatives contracts in May 2023, S&P BSE Sensex and S&P BSE Banksex. And it has witnessed significant turnover and has witnessed a consistent rise in both turnover and open interest, and it has unique expiry of Friday. We have also recently launched Social Stock Exchange, which is an initiative driven by the Finance Minister in 2020 budget. And we have also listed many social enterprises, and we are getting good response. So we are confident that by listing on the BSE, Yatra Online, which will start its new Yatra in the corporate world as a listed entity, will not be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base to further deepen its line of business, adhering to strong governance standards, because now you are a listed entity and corporate governance standards and the way SEBI is expecting. So we also want that you also try to adhere and even achieve more than that, because that's the way we have even one tool, corporate governance scorecard tool, which we have launched with the World Bank, IFC. So BSE looks forward to being Yatra's preferred fundraising partner continually as it expands its reach and grows in scale. I wish this esteemed entity all the very best on account of a successful listing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the next part of this program, which is this beautiful exchange of mementos. And the first set of presentation of these mementos will be done by BSE to all our guests on the dais. And may I request Mr. Girish Joshi to kindly do the honors. The first set goes out from Mr. Girish Joshi to Mr. Dhruv Sringhi, Chief Executive Officer, co-founder Yatra Online Limited. Mr. Manish Amin, Chief Information and Technology Officer, co-founder, Yatra Online Limited. Mr. Rohan Mittal, Group Chief Financial Officer, Yatra Online Limited. Mr. Dhruv Bhagwat, Vice President, IPO Securities Limited. Mr. Deepak Kaushik, Group Head, Equity Capital Markets, SBI Capital Markets Limited. Mr. Sachin Chandival, Managing Director, Corporate Finance, DAM Capital Advisors Limited. And now for the exchange of this beautiful mementos, I invite Mr. Girish Joshi to kindly remain there, and we have Mr. Dhruv Shringi, who will now present a memento to Mr. Girish Joshi. Mr. Dhruv Shringi to Mr. Dhruv Bhagwat, Vice President, IFL Securities Limited. Mr. Deepak Kaushik, Group Head, Equity Capital Markets, SBI Capital Markets Limited. Mr. Sachin Chandival, Managing Director, Corporate Finance, DAM Capital Advisors Limited. From the agency, we have Concept Communications Limited. The Company Council, JSA. BRLM's Council, Indus Law. And Registrar to the issue, Lincoln Time. Thank you, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the vote of thanks, I invite Mr. Deepak Kaushik, Group Head, Equity Capital Markets, SBI Capital Markets, to address all of us. A nice big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Deepak Kaushik.
Good morning, everyone. So at the outset, first, I'd like to thank the entire, in fact, congratulate the entire Yatra team for another feather in the cap, a wonderful journey which continues. And we as BRLMs to the issue, in fact, we feel privileged, and it's been a wonderful experience working with Dhruv and the entire team. And in terms of IPO, if you look at this, is just another, I would say, one stop in terms of the journey which carries on. And the way Yatra has been delivering in terms of wonderful results, in terms of the performance, I'm sure that that's something which the company would, under the able guidance, leadership, and of course the wonderful team that you have, would you continue to deliver on that. And in terms of the transaction, if I talk of a wonderful experience, I'm sure it's been for all the BRLMs as well. Something, of course, you have challenges in the transactions, small things here and there, but what we realized was that in terms of the professional attitude that the company has, that's something which really helped the transaction go off very smoothly. Also like to thank all the investors who have now become a part of the company as shareholders. And just to end it with, in fact, I would like to congratulate you once again and thank you all, in fact, all the intermediaries, everyone who has been part of the process. And I'm sure everyone's now looking forward with bated breath to what's finally where these stocks are going to list. So all the best. Thank you very much.
We've got about 5 minutes to go. So we have an addition, so Mr. Girish Joshi, I'm afraid you'll have to come up once again to present Memento, this time to Sabina Chopra. Thank you very much. May I request all our dignitaries on the dais to kindly move towards the gong. We could probably do a photo op in the meanwhile. And ladies and gentlemen, I'll require your assistance for the countdown. Okay, so make sure you're nice, loud, and clear. We will start from 10. We have ample time still. We've got about 4 minutes to go. It's a long countdown. So we have photo ops. I think each one of you could probably take turns in holding. Yeah, right. The ringing of the gong will go exactly at 10 o'clock on the dot. And Yatra Online Limited is going to be listed. Yes, a new Yatra from today onwards, like Mr. Girish Joshi said. Very seldom you get to hear this pin drop silence, right? Okay, we're getting there. Yes. Forty seconds. 30, the heart is pounding. So everybody get ready. From 10, we shall begin. Here we go. 10, everyone. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Congratulations to Yatra Online Limited, getting listed here at BSE. Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, for the last time, a nice rousing round of applause for Yatra Online Limited. Congratulations once again. Thank you very much. And for all those of you who'd like to take a picture with the gong, please come forward and do so, and then join us for refreshments thereafter. Thank you very much for joining us and taking time.